To my YouTube channel. Also guys, my name is Frankie here for returning Sepi. Hi though, how you doing? I'm a bit exhausted but I really need to make a video because I made a couple of promises to myself regarding our content, so we're supposed to keep at it regardless of how exhausted we may be feeling. So on today's video, as you've seen from the title, I'm just showing you guys how to clean up your wig so that you can wear it again, mostly if you had probably been just using this, right? Being specific because I don't, like I've mentioned it. Oh my god, this is almost done. Anyway, as I've mentioned in my other videos, that I just love using it because it allows me to just, you know, take out my wig whenever I want, and not feel like I have to have it on for a while, because honestly I love wigs but they make my head ache. So I'm just gonna go right into the video. So this is the residue. This is how the wig looks. This is where it was glued down, right? Just literally here. So this is the portion that we're gonna be washing today. And then I just wanted to, I'm showing you one way that I normally do it, and that is basically when I'm not necessarily washing the entire wig, of which I'm not washing the entire wig. I'm simply clearing this out so that it can be fit enough to be used again, right? Or something you can do probably midweek when, you know, you've had it on and maybe, you know, it kind of left it, and instead of just, you know, applying again just to put it on, you're like, ugh, let me just wash it. I don't know, I do that. That's why I think you could do that, you know. And then you can just, you know, go at it. I don't know if you add a lot of products to your wigs that probably you would need to wash all of it. I don't add anything much. I wash my wigs probably every after 2 weeks because I literally don't do anything to them. Normally most product I apply it after washing it, of which I'll just make a separate video for that. But yeah, there's just another thing I'm trying to talk about before I do. So you have an option of just what I'm about to do, which is using hot water, because you know it's glue, so it's obviously gonna come off. And then the other option is to use the same glue remover, right? It's actually going to help, but I personally prefer the water one because I mean it's cheap, and also I don't have to use a lot of product, and also the wig doesn't have to have I feel like the glue thing makes it dirty. That's why I'm not about to share, like I'm not about to do that one. I'm just talking about it. Like if you have an option, sure, you can try it, but it's not something I would do. I prefer the water one, which is what we're about to do literally right now. And if you find this helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. We do have videos, we do makeup, we do fashion videos, we do vlogs, everything lifestyle basically. So yeah, enjoy. So I'm washing my wig and I just wanted to show you how I do it. This is that lace wig that just has lace in this portion of it. This is normally the one that gets a lot of glue. So I'm just going to removing this. This is very hot water, as you can see the steam, and I'm really worried about my camera at this point. So I just put only this portion into the hot water so that the glue can dissolve. and from there I just hang it, and I'll show you guys once it's done. The idea is just to get rid of this glue. I'll show you an alternative method on how to remove glue from your wig. I'm not washing the wig, no, I'm just removing glue so that I can do an install again. So what you just need to do is dunk this in there and wait on it. Be purposeless for a while. Be purposeless for a while. When you check, you realize that it's kind of coming out. You'll see the water at the end. The water is the one that will really show you that something's really been happening in there. So let me save my camera because it's now coming in contact with heat. I'll show you guys when I'm done here. If it's not coming off as smoothly. Hey, I literally said smoothly. Anyways, you can just take your brush and do that. I'm not able to do it in form properly, but yeah, just underneath. Don't do it on top because you might ruin the hair follicles. Just do it underneath and it's gonna come out. I'll just show you guys the end because I'm not able to record and do this at the same time. This is how it looks at the end. The glue is out. So right now I'm just gonna go put it up so that it dries. I do not sun dry it. I just put it in the house in the bathroom so that it dries out, and then we will see it afterwards. The water, can you really see? Well, it's kind of milky white. When I say milky white, it's kind of milky because of the glue, and yes, more hair kind of got inside. I was like, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Let me just go get this to dry so we can continue. Waiting. Well, we're gonna be purposeless for a while. No, not this time. This time won't be purposeless. We're gonna find something to do with our lives. Okay, see you in a bit. So I just wanted to quickly pass by and mention that if you're like in a hurry and you don't have the time to actually air dry your hair, you can just simply blow dry it. So while I'm waiting for it, I'm going about my day, and right now I just wanted to share my current read is The Richest Man in Babylon. So yeah, I'm just reading that while I wait. This is how it looks at the end.